Hey girl, hey, it's your girl Cita back with another video. Welcome. Today we are taking this shower caddy out and reorganizing the shower as it is a must. This thing is so old. Do you see it? It is falling apart. It is one of the first things that I purchased when I moved in this house, and I had to rig it so that it would stay because it did not fit. So I'm going to start removing some things out of this caddy. Let me tell you, it was very difficult to try to clean. You couldn't get behind it, so you see what the wall looks like. So that's removed. Now we're going to pull this caddy out, girl. So I did a clean of the whole tub surround. And let me tell you, it has never looked this good. Oh my God, I'm so happy about how well this turned out. Like, look at it, y'all. Look at it. Look at me. Now, girl, I got these shower caddies from TJMaxx. They have this little plastic film on the back. So once you peel those off, you could just adjust and add to the wall as you need. And with this particular shower caddy, the suction part is plastic and then the actual shelf part is metal. Just wanted to throw that out there in case anybody was thinking like, maybe this might be a good do for my bathroom. Girl, I was stepping back to admire my work, and then I realized that that one particular section, it was locked in place, but it wasn't locked on the wall. So I got to adjust it right there. That's what you see me doing, girl. Girl, it didn't want to act right. You see, I had to hit it with the, really? I ended up purchasing 4 of those shower caddies in total. And then the last one I'm putting like as low as possible. So that way it makes it easier for little hands to be able to grab their soap when they need it. Here I am testing it out, realizing I didn't leave enough space for the full body wash. But girl, you know we're going to make it do what it do. I decided I was going to put some sugar strips right there. That's why you see the happy dance, girl. So now I'm just going to load it up, stock it up, see what we like and what we think and how it's about to work out, girl. Now that I've added some of my sugar scrubs, I am going to start adding in my face wash. Now it's time to add back the boys' body washes. Adding back our shampoos and conditioners for easy access. Swapping out the shampoo and conditioner products for a different one. Changing my mind and going back to the original products. And here's the final look. I truly hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.